Hey, what's up, friends? I'm Viv, and you're watching Understanding Automation by airSlate. Now, if you search any list of the most popular sci-fi films of all times, you'll find one common theme: humans versus robots. From the Terminator franchise to the Matrix films, you might understand why humans are so scared of robots taking over the world. But hopefully this video can clear up any confusion.
Trust me.
First of all, we're talking about automation, not science fiction. And yes, an automation bot is short for robot, but it's simply a piece of software built to perform a particular time-consuming task. These pieces of code are not meant to replace humans in the workplace, but to handle tedious, repetitive actions for them. Manual data entry is a thief of time and an enemy of productivity. Think about how much time your employees spend manually performing the same tedious task day after day, and how much it costs your business. Automation bots can do their job on a schedule or around the clock based on an if this then that logic. So then employees can better focus on their customers and the company's more important task instead of wasting time on routine manual work. And luckily, with workflow automation solutions like airSlate and its no-code bots, you can automate your regular workflows and eliminate errors and inefficiencies. Our bots are already programmed for particular functions and don't require coding from your side.
Oh, back to school, to prove to Dad that I'm not a fool.
airSlate Academy provides quick bot and automation training online and free of charge. Our automation bots course goes through all the nuances of airSlate's automation bots, their purpose, principles, and settings. Here's what you'll learn: the purpose and benefits of automation bots for your document workflows, how to automate notifications, reminders, and more by setting up a no-code automation bot, and how to check whether a bot performed successfully. Whether you're new to automation or already have some understanding of it, the airSlate Academy will help you hit the ground running. That's it for today. Explore how automation tools can help, not replace, all humans in the workplace and achieve automation success with airSlate Academy. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. And once again, I'm Viv, and automation is the way to live. Thanks for watching.